guys, today we're going to do a lava experiment. So, these are the stuff you'll need to make one. You'll need a long vase, some water, some food coloring, some oil, and some acetylsalicylic acid. Please don't eat or drink this. It will harm you. Please have an adult with you. So, let's get started. First, we'll pour the water into the vase. Make sure it's up to where my finger is. Okay, now we'll do it to the next one. Okay, it's the same size. Okay, then we'll put this here. Then we'll use some food coloring. I'm using 2 of them for this one. You have to do 2 drops if you're doing a pink one, but all of them are supposed to be 3 drops. So, as it goes down, it looks really pretty, but now we're going to add the oil. Make sure it goes up to over here. So I'm going to dump first into here. Okay. So now this is going to be the fun part of this entire video. It's going to be so exciting. I gotta get all the acetyl. So okay, this is gonna be fun. So 2 of them here, 2 of them here, 1 of them here. Look at this, guys! It's bubbling. That's how you actually make it like lava. It starts bubbling up. I'm going to make you guys watch it and enjoy it. It's supposed to be like this when we're doing that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that soothing, calming lava thing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Please don't forget to keep on watching me. And there you have it. See you guys in a bit.